It's time to let go of the day, to let go of your worries, the stress, and the endless thoughts. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful place, a place where you feel safe and calm. Maybe it's a quiet beach, a serene forest, or even your favorite spot at home. Picture yourself there, feeling the gentle breeze against your skin, hearing the soft sounds of nature around you. Take another deep breath in and let it out slowly. Let each exhale take away any tension in your body. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw. With each breath, you are sinking deeper into a state of calm, where nothing else matters except this moment. You are safe, you're calm, you deserve this rest. Let the soothing rhythm of my voice guide you into a peaceful, restorative sleep.